What's up guys, Alon is here from Design VR in this amazing luxury property that we closed in Largo. The house initially was a 5 bedrooms, 4 bath. We made it into 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It has a movie theater, a game room, chess pieces outside, a nice balcony looking at the pool, and the house looks absolutely stunning. It was purchased for 1.5 million in this amazing neighborhood. We also closed on another house right behind it, which was recently purchased, and it's actually gonna go also live in the next 2 days. Let's go to a full tour and check it out.